What are you guys doing?
Making decorations for our New Year's party.
Yep. What is today?
Happy New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. Were you gonna say Happy New Year?
No.
Okay, kids are getting ready for a New Year's Eve party.
So this year, I am taking the New Year's Eve party very seriously because this is the first year we get to stay up till 12 o'clock. So this year, I am doing the Oreo balls. There is a video for that to make them, which is really good.
Did Dad ask you to do that? Sure. Oh, you are so good. Wow, bossy. Joel's all, look at that form.
I was impressed.
Wowie, I'm impressed. Woo woo!
Yeah,
We got like 7 bags.
4 bags
Of just
party stuff.
Wow.
stuff.
Oh, cute!
We missed the tiny ones.
Oh, those are huge. What did you tell Daddy?
Thank you.
Joel, you are a good daddy.
Lincoln, don't put them on yet.
You can buy a lot of crap at the dollar store.
I got 3 ones.
So cute! All right, let's go. The kids have really enjoyed getting their party all the way ready for the babysitter to get here. The kids have lined up their food and treats on the table. I ordered Panda Express, and so the kids are going to eat that while I'm gone. I told the kids, it is not fun to have a party with each other if what?
You fight.
If you guys fight. We've had a little fighting, we've had a little yelling on everyone in the household's behalf. However, we all apologized, and what? We're not going to fight moving forward. Does that sound like a plan? Code, does that sound like a plan?
Yep.
The babysitter is bringing her brother, and all the kids are gonna celebrate together tonight. And Joel and I are going with our friends, and we are going to celebrate tonight. It is the end of 2020, and it has been a huge year. You kids, Lincoln started kindergarten. We had a global pandemic. We did homeschool. We've done half days at school.
I started middle school.
Olivia started middle school. I know that even though we went through a ton this year, it was a wonderful year.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't want to spend it with anyone other than all of you. So, let's say Happy New Year to all of our subscribers and all of everyone that has ever watched our videos, from the Hoelleins to you guys. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
We're gonna have a party, and we are trying to decorate it, as you can kind of see. So right now they're blowing up balloons, and we're gonna start making it a party.
This is the first year us 3 big kids are staying up till midnight.
Cody, Olivia!
I'm so excited. Oh goodness, that is not helpful. That's not working. You're so good at it. Okay.
That's the one. That's it. You gotta come forward a little bit,
Oh.
I think. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was secretly trying to hide
No,
unknowingly.
you gotta hide. You gotta come to the front.
2, 1.
This way, this way.
Yeah, it's kind of like opposite of what
Yeah.
you think, so.
Is this too obvious?
Oh my word, are you kidding? Snap that.
Babe,
Oh my
you
word,
snap
are you
one, babe.
kidding, Bonnie?
That's it. Oh! Oh my
All 3
gosh,
of them.
thank you. Okay, we can do a selfie. I forgot forgot to film the food. I can't film around you guys because I forget. I have so much fun. I can't film anything.
Really good, we promise.
It was delish. Ah. I do what she says. This is Allie Glines, everybody.
Hi.
I got really nervous.
So Lincoln has to go to bed a little bit early because we are staying up till midnight to do the celebration thing. So we fake did something on Netflix and like did the countdown. Here is what happened with Lincoln all awake. So the place is trashed. We heard fireworks while we were watching a show. So we're gonna go watch the fireworks, and I think we're gonna take chips and food that we just kind of have. We finally got them.
I love Home Allie because this is what she does for me. Ooh, it looks good.
Lots
To
of
raspberry ratio.
There's so much crisp that I don't even know where the raspberries went.
Sorry, Jalen.
Oh my, the raspberries like literally disintegrated in there.
Wonderful. That's gonna be.
But hey, at least we have a
Okay.
Okay, well, let's try harder next time.
Me or you?
Both of ya. Make my. What is this? It's too small. The ratio doesn't fit. It's 11:59 and the TV is stalling. 2020's fashion.
Trying to hold out, huh? 2020 wants an extra minute.
Just in case I'm getting this all. No! We have a minute on the clock. Oh, well, I'll watch this one. That's okay.
Oh, it's dropping. It's falling.
I found one. You pop it, then mom's gonna get mad.
I'll clean it up.
What? Happy New
We missed it, Rat. Oh, hell to the king. Oh, hell to the king. I hate this year.
Hey, be nice. Jill, you better get those lips ready for me.
Goodbye, 2020! Hello, 2021! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Happy New Year!
Wait, I want to see. Oh,
We made it!
dip me.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
I put my sweatpants on for that one. Oh.
Happy New Year.
21.
Oh, it's gonna be fun, huh?
Yes. Hope you guys are ready for a good
plans.
year with us. I specifically told them no confetti.
Oh, Boston's awake now.
Oh, happy New Year's, babies at home.
We hope you enjoyed the vlog. Good night, everybody.